Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying essentials: battery, stability, and camera app defaults. Open the camera and choose photo mode. Once done, look for the yellow moon icon that signals night mode. Make sure you hold steady or mount the phone. Longer exposures need a tripod to avoid blur. If the moon shows a number, that's the exposure duration. You can tap to change it. You're now set to capture brighter, lower noise images in dim scenes. Next, you control the how. Tap to focus and hold to lock AE/AF. This prevents the camera from hunting mid-shot. Then drag the exposure slider up or down to balance highlights and shadows. Brighter isn't always better because it can increase noise. Choose the main lens for detail or ultrawide for context. The phone may switch lenses based on light. If you want maximum editing headroom, enable Pro RAW or Smart HDR before shooting. That preserves detail for post-processing. To finish, press the shutter and keep the phone motionless until night mode completes its exposure. The progress indicator shows when it's safe to move. Once done, review the frame and use edit tools to reduce noise, recover highlights, or sharpen details. If images come out soft, try a shorter exposure, refit your tripod, or remove any lens cover or filter that reduces light. If the moon icon disappears, increase ambient light slightly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.